I'm back with a video that I promised I was going to do. This is a video on the makeup I wear to work, and when I go to work I tend to keep my makeup quite simple, although I mean the process that what I've recorded may seem quite a lot for work, but it does give you an absolute flawless finish, and I'm like currently obsessing over this brand that is really inexpensive, and I tend to use them for my makeup to work, and because like I said, really inexpensive, and they have quite a lot of like amazing product. So the product I use, or the brand I'm talking about, is the Abnormal Beauty Company, and I believe it's a Scandinavian brand, but please correct me if I'm wrong or Swedish. I really need to check this out before I'm saying a lot of crap here. But so they're located, right, one of the pop-up stores is located in Spitalfields, which is where I get tested, and for all their products. It's a really cool store, and I'm more than happy to kind of like film around if you guys want me to, and they've come up with like an amazing range of foundations, right? Just different colors, and it's like water-based consistency, and then you have full coverage as well as like just a light coverage as well. So they look like this. I've been using their product for a year now, and I use it every day. This retails for like £6, and I believe you can get it on ASOS. I'm in a color 3.1Y, and I use it alongside their primer, which looks like that, right? And again, I'm on my second primer with this company, because, well, with this primer in particular, you kind of have to put it after your foundation, and I use it alongside with Fix Plus for consistency, again, just to give me a nice layer before, you know, I go to work. I promise you, I start doing my makeup at 7 o'clock from 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm back home at about 8, and it still looks really nice. I get loads of compliments. Like I said, I've been using it for a year, so I completely recommend it. And again, it's not a sponsored video. I'm just expressing how much I love the Abnormal Beauty Company, and I promise you guys, just go to one of their pop-up stores or just go and look at their range, and it's insane what they provide. There's like stretch marks remover, there's, you know, like acne treatment, like loads of pretty cool formula, very like really cool store, very cool concept. So I advise you to check it out. But in the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye. chat shit. Bleh. Okay, so